Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn how you can use the Shop app effectively. Okay, so by the way, guys, you can download the application from the App Store or Play Store, but currently we will be using the website. Okay, so the first thing that you are going to do here is you just have to open any of your web browser if you're using your desktop or laptop, and then you just have to search for Shop app. Okay, and then tap on enter, and then you have this one. So just have to tap on it, and then if you don't have an account yet, then you just have to sign up using your email or your phone number. So you have to turn on notifications, important for real-time updates, and then you have to connect your email inbox so it can automatically track your orders, and this makes the app automatically detect your purchases, and it's super convenient. Okay, so for example, let's tap on our profile right here. Okay, that's right. And then make sure that the email that you are using is correct. Okay, and then here, when you go to your account, we have here the following section. Okay, so you'd be able to see here all of the shops that you followed and the items that you have saved. And then for the installment section, okay, so the products that you have purchased on installments, you'd be able to see that right here. And then for your subscriptions, you have that right here, and your order history. Okay, and then you can also add your payment method right here. So if you would like to, set up your payment method, you can add your card as well. Okay, so the next one is you can use it for automatic order tracking. So one of the best features of the Shop app is tracking. So it syncs orders from different stores. You can see delivery progress in real time, and you'll get updates like shipped out for delivery and etc. So no need to manually enter tracking numbers most of the time. Okay, so you would be able to see your orders right here. So let me just go here in this section. Okay, so let's just go here to your account. So you'd be able to see here your orders. Okay, now the next one is to discover the trusted stores. So inside the app, you can browse different brands and shops. Just go here to the explore section. Okay, and then you just have to follow your favorite stores and then get updates on new products and restocks. So this helps you avoid sketchy or unknown sellers. Okay, so for example, you already ordered from the stores. Okay, so just tap on this one. Okay, let me just close this section, and then you just have to go to your store. Okay, and then all you have to do here is you just have to follow them. So the follow button, you can find that at the top right. So just have to follow this one. That's right. So you get an update or for new products and restocks. So again, this helps you avoid sketchy or unknown sellers. Next one is you can use the app to pay faster for faster checkout. So the Shop app is connected to Shop Pay, which allows faster checkout or the autofill details and secure payments. So installment options in some regions as well. So if the installment option is available in your region, then that's good. You can also do that. Okay, so for example, I'm going to show you how you can purchase. So you just have to go here, click on the banner option after choosing your variant and the size. Okay, so after that you just have to select here country. Okay, and then you just have to fill out this section, and then of course you'll be able to see here now the total amount that you need to pay. Okay, so using the Shop Pay, it saves time and makes buying smoother. Next one is save and organize the product. So you can heart or save items you like. So for example, okay, this one. So, for example, we don't have a budget for this shoes, but we don't want to lose it. So, we just have to tap on the save option. Okay, so let's find another product. So, for example, this one as well. So, Assuming that we want to buy this one later on, so just tap on the save option. And then you just have to go back to them later and you can track the price changes or availability. So this one is great if you're comparing products before buying. And by the way, you can find those here in the heart icon and you'll be able to see here all of the products that you have saved. Okay, next one is to turn on the smart notification. So do not ignore this part. This is where the app shines. So you'll get alerts for order updates, sales and discounts, or restock. So this helps you catch deals before they sell out. Okay, so for example, let's go back to this shop right here. Okay, so just tap on this option so you'd be able to see here the ratings and everything that you need to know about this store. Okay, so now the next one is to you can also use the carbon offset feature. So the shop app sometimes shows eco-friendly delivery options. So when your delivery is in progress or before you actually check out or proceed to the payment method, you can support carbon neutral shipping. So this one is good for environmentally conscious users. Okay, and another tips for that, you can use the shop app. You have to always double check the store before buying so you can actually see their reviews. Okay, so you have the ratings right here. Okay, so for example, from these users, so if you are confident already and you have read enough reviews from the different buyers, then you can actually buy from the store. So it means that this store is trusted. And you have to compare prices with the other platforms as well. So for example, we can find another similar products from different store. Okay, then we can also buy from those stores, but we have to make sure again that the ratings is good. Okay, so again, you have to read the reviews if available, and you have to avoid impulse buying. You can use the save features first, and then you can track all your orders in one place instead of checking your emails. Okay, and then even if you're not selling, you can still maximize the application by following the trending brands, watching for flash sales. Okay, and then using it as your main order tracker for all online purchases. So again, the shop app is best used for tracking orders automatically, discovering brands, fast and secure checkout, and saving items for later. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.